Wel, helo, dyma ni, croeso i wers 14 o 10 am 3. Eirian dwi, tiwtor newydd, new tutor. Dwi'n gweithio efo'r ganolfan dysgu Cymraeg genedlaethol, fel Helen. Dwi'n gweithio efo Helen. Tiwtor Cymraeg dwi, a fel arfer dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg yn yr Wyddgrug. Ond rwan, ar hyn o bryd, at the moment, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg adre. Dwi'n dysgu ar Zoom, dwi'n dysgu ar WhatsApp, a heddiw dwi'n dysgu ar Facebook. Felly croeso i'r dosbarth. Dwi yn mynd i edrych ar patrwm dwi'n dŵad o heddiw. Dwi'n dŵad o, I come from, dwi'n dŵad o. Iawn, dwi'n dŵad o, da ni'n dŵad o, we come from. Iawn, dwi'n dŵad o'r gogledd. Dwi'n dŵad o'r gogledd. Dyma Gymru, a dwi'n dŵad o'r gogledd. Mae Helen yn dŵad o'r de. Mae Helen yn dŵad o'r de. Ond Helen would say, dwi'n dod o'r de. So this is an example of a word that is a little bit different yn y gogledd, dŵad, ac yn y de, dod. Iawn? You may have heard that there's a big difference between North Wales and South Wales Welsh. There really isn't. It's mainly a matter of accent, to be honest. But there's one or two things that you might think, okay, that's what they say in the north, and this is what they say in the south. Concentrate on what you need to do, what you need to learn, depending on where you live, who your family is, and who your friends are. Right, felly. Eiri, who's helping today, will type in if there's anything you want to know. So, unrhyw gwestiwn, any question, gofyn i Eiri. Iawn? Felly, heddiw, da ni'n mynd i edrych ar dwi'n dŵad o, I come from. Now, there's one other thing. You may have heard that sometimes words don't sound exactly the same in Welsh as you expect. Sometimes the beginning changes a tiny bit. Now, we've managed 3 weeks without doing any of this at all, but today, heddiw, da ni'n mynd I siarad am these tiny little changes, okay? Usually, nothing happens, but this pattern, some letters will change, and you'll just hear a little difference, okay? So, let's start with one that doesn't change. Dwi'n dŵad o Abereiron. Dwi'n dŵad o Abereiron. Dwi'n dŵad o Abereiron. Or if you want, you can say dwi'n dod. Would you like to say that? Dwi'n dŵad o Abereiron. Dim newid, no change. Iawn? Dwi'n dŵad o Abertawe. Chi? Lle mae Abertawe? Abertawe, Swansea. Dwi'n dŵad o Abertawe. Dwi'n dŵad o Abertawe. Dim newid, no change. So Aber, you've heard the word Aber, that means river going into the sea, estuary. Iawn? Aber, lots of places. Aberystwyth, Abertawe, Aberdyfi, Aberdaron, Aber, all over the place. Iawn? Abertawe. Dim newid, no change so far. Dwi'n dŵad o Wrecsam. Dwi'n dŵad o Wrecsam. Dwi'n dŵad o Wrecsam. Iawn, a chi? Dwi'n dŵad o Wrecsam. Iawn, eto. Dim newid, no change. So any word that starts with a vowel, felly A, E, I, O, I, we've got 2 extra in Gymraeg, W and those letters don't change. And in fact, most letters in Welsh don't change when you say dwi'n dŵad o. Okay? But we'll have a look at one that does. Okay? Dwi'n dŵad o Drefynon. Dwi'n dŵad o Drefynon. I'll write the name Trefynon. 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 Dwi'n dŵad o Drefynon. But I don't say T, I say D. Dwi'n dŵad o Drefynon. Dwi'n dŵad o Drefynon. So when you talk about a place starting with T, and you're saying dwi'n dŵad or dwi'n dod, you change the T to a D. It's easier to say dwi'n dŵad o Dreffynon rather than dwi'n dŵad o Treffynon. Okay? Dwi'n dŵad o Dreffynon. You try it. Dwi'n dŵad o Dreffynon. Tre is town. A lot of places start with tre in Gymraeg. What about Treorci? Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. A chi? Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. Yeah. So, dyma sut mae'n edrych. This is how it looks. Dwi'n dŵad o Dal y Bont. Dwi'n dŵad o Dal y Bont. Tal y Bont changes to Dal y Bont. Dwi'n dŵad, go iawn, really, o Dreffynon. Chi? Dwi'n dŵad o Dreffynon. Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. A chi? Dwi'n dŵad o Dreorci. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. A chi? T means house. So T, the house of Dewi. Dewi, David. T Ddewi. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. St David's. Dwi'n dŵad o Diddewi. But of course, I only come from Dreffynon. So we can also use the pattern to say dwi'n mynd I. Dwi'n mynd I. Yeah? Dwi'n mynd I, I'm going to Dal y Bont. Dwi'n mynd I Dreffynon. Dwi'n mynd I Dreorci. Dwi'n mynd I Diddewi. Dwi'n mynd I. So dwi'n dŵad o, dwi'n mynd I. Yeah? We'll do one more letter, un llythyren arall, one more letter today. C. So, Caerdydd. 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 Okay. Dwi'n mynd I G. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Okay, dydwch, you say? Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Iawn? Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd yn aml, often. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd ar y tren. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd o Wrecsam. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd o Wrecsam. A wedyn, dwi'n dŵad adre o Gaerdydd I Wrecsam. Felly dwi'n mynd I, dwi'n dŵad o. It's the same. Caerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Iawn. Yfory, we'll do a bit more. We'll do a bit more with T and C and some other letters as well. Iawn. Ond rwan, dwi'n mynd am dro. Dwi'n mynd am dro. Dwi'n mynd I gerdded. Cerdded, to walk. Dwi'n mynd I gerdded. Dwi'n mynd I gerdded. A wedyn, dwi'n mynd I ganu. Canu, to sing. Dwi'n mynd I ganu yr anthem. Hen wlad fy nhadau. Land of my father. Ac os da chi'n gwrando, if you listen at 8 o'clock tonight, you might hear a lot of people singing Hen wlad fy nhadau to say diolch yn fawr I bawb sy'n helpu, everybody who's helping us ar hyn o bryd. Felly, welai chi fory, diolch yn fawr, hwyl am y tro.